Okay, they go to a song. We take you to Maui. How many of you been to Maui? How many of you been to the Ulupalakua Ranch, the Kahumana Cowboys and all the kind of flowers there over there? Well, good, because I haven't yet. But how I know about it is because I'm going to sing this next song, and it's all in the song, a song called Ulupalakua. Not too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Funny